So today, ladies and gentlemen, the Roulettes are going to be performing their high show, which is the most dynamic show that the Roulettes perform. Display goes for about 15 minutes and it demonstrates the training and skill that each of the pilots have, and showcasing the high performance of the PC-9 aircraft. Roulette leader is Squadron Leader Glenn Canfield. Squadron Leader Canfield joined the Navy in 1994 and flew rotary wing and fixed wing aircraft before joining the Air Force in 2006. Glenn graduated as a qualified flying instructor in 2002 and he has over 5,100 hours flying experience with 2,000 hours instructing. This is Glenn's 6th season with the Roulettes and 3rd as leader. If you look out to your left now, ladies and gentlemen, the Roulettes are running in for the wedge oblique loop and fly past. The turn that you can see the formation at the moment may look easy, but they're pulling around 4G at the moment, which is 4 times the force of gravity. So all the pilots and all their flying equipment, they're weighing in at around 400 kilograms at the moment, so they're working very hard to stay in position. So these aircraft, ladies and gentlemen, they're actually quite basic inside. There are no autopilots in these aircraft. Just highly refined hand-eye coordination, keeping them within 3 meters of each other's aircraft. And Glenn's just positioning the team out now to the right and setting up for the leader's benefit fly past.